that cat.
Elizabeth, how do you say Diego?
Hey, go.
No, it's Diego.
Hey, go. Hey, go, Mama.
Diego.
Hey, go.
Diego.
Hey, go.
You want to watch Diego or Dora?
Hey, go.
Who?
Hey, go.
D. Can you say D?
Hey, go.
D.
Hey, go.
No, you say D.
D.
A.
D.
Now say
D.
A. A.
D.
Say A.
D.
Say A. D. A. Go. Diego. Okay, I'm gonna put Dora on. Dora. Dora. Say Diego.
Hey, go.
Oh my goodness.